So for that one, I'm going to have to move the x over by adding it. So y equals 4x plus 1. And then my second one, 3y equals 12x minus 6. Divide by 3. And y equals, remember that goes with both, 12 over 3 is 4, minus 6 over 3 is 2. And holy cow, still not working. Okay, so go ahead and continue as I'm still waiting here. So when I go to put those in, okay, I'm switching over to my other calculator. Okay, why didn't I think of that earlier? So 4x plus 1 and 4x minus 2.
Doesn't matter which one.
Nope. Doesn't matter which one's in which. I could go put them in 5 and 6 if I wanted to. Okay, so once we input our equations, we graph. And when you go to calculate, second trace, calculate a point of intersection, I get an error message that says no sign change. But by our picture, what can we determine? Yes?
That the parallel to
That they're parallel. Very good. How did we know that even before I graphed it?
4x.
4x, the slopes are the same. So, when you have lines that are parallel, where are they going to intersect? Never, which means that you have no solution. Circle with the line through it, or you can write the words no solution, either way. And we draw our lines. So if your lines end up parallel to each other, there is no solution.
So we don't have to graph, show the.
Show me the graph still, yeah. Yes, Jordan.
So when you have them into y equals what? Then what do you do?
Second trace, calculate, number 5. And enter 3 times.
I have that.
You're only pressing the trace. Oh, what? She would graph one way off. Do second trace again. Number 5. And well, they're parallel, so they're not going to intersect. So okay, let's look at our next example. X plus 4y equals something, I can't remember, I gotta turn around and look.
There's no solution to that one, correct?
Correct. So our first one, 3x plus 4y equals 2. Solve this for y. So I'm gonna minus the 3x. So 4y equals, again, I like x first, but as Drew asked earlier, it could be written 2 minus 3x. divide by 4, and y equals -3/4, does not reduce. 2/4, you could leave it 2/4, I'm gonna make it 1/2. If you left it 2/4, it'll come out the same, it's okay. And then my other one, 2x minus y equals 5. Get y alone by subtracting the 2x. And dividing by a -1 to make the y positive. -2 over -1 is +2. 5 over -1, -5. I would clear out the equations you have. So this is where we're going to make sure we know how to use our fraction keys. I'm going to be putting in -3/4 x plus 1/2. So alpha y equals, to get to my fraction functions. So -3.
Why is it 3/4, -3/4?
Y,
Yeah, I don't.
right here. When I solve that and divided, -3/4 is -3.
Oh, wait. What is it? Oh, okay.
And then 1/2, again, go to my fraction function.
Where's the fraction?
F1 up here. Yes, Matthew?
If you want to, could you just use the division symbol?
Yes.
For the fractions?
Careful on, I want to say there's one kind that won't work right, but I can't remember what it is. So just be careful. Yes? What will go in? Oh, we never have enough eight to calculate it. We've been using that all year.
It goes on the normal screen now.
Right. But that fraction key is an update to the calculator that I did on everybody's calculator back in September.
Whenever I press graph, whenever I have -3/4, it won't let me graph it.
Did you put in X?
I put, let me press go to. I put -3/4x.
Is the X on the bottom? Or did you cursor out and put the X in the, right here? If the X is with the 4, it's not going to work.
No, it's like that. And it's saying my negative's wrong. So
Did you use minus or negative?
I might use minus. Okay.
So I graph.
Yep. Okay.
Second trace, which is calculate. Number 5. Move your cursor. Enter 3 times. And I get 2 -1.